Hi, I'm Hannah and I work for J Parker's. Today I'm going to show you how to plant tulip bulbs. I'm going to show you in a container just because it's a little bit easier for me to show you, but all of the same rules that I'll speak to you about apply in the ground as well. So I have filled a terracotta pot pretty much most of the way with multi-purpose compost, and I've mixed some grit in there for drainage as well. So I've just filled it about this much. So with your tulip bulb, the same as other bulbs, you want to make sure that you have planted it the right way up. So with a tulip bulb, it's a lot easier than some to tell which is the right way up. So there's a very pointy end and a flat end. So you want to make sure that they go in this way up. So spacing wise, I think with tulips, it doesn't matter as much as others. A lot of people like to put as many as they can into a pot so you get as many flowers as you can in one pot. So I'm not going to worry too much about my spacing. So I'm just going to pop all of these in. So this is just one full pack that I'm going to put in this container. So it's one full pack of 10. Okay. So it should look a little bit like this when you've popped them all in there. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is to fill this up with more compost, so more multi-purpose, so I'll do that now. Okay, so I've just evened that out. So that might look like they're planted quite deep, but as a rule of thumb, it's 2 or 3 times the size of the bulb, so it should be fine. And then what I like to do is to top this off with potting grit, as it just keeps the slugs and snails at bay. As soon as the weather starts to warm up in spring and your shoots come through, that's when the slugs like to come and eat all your new shoots. So I like to cover this with grit. I'll just do that now. So this is just horticultural potting grit. Okay, and then I'll just even that out. Okay, so the best time of year to plant tulips is towards the end of October, November. You can also get away with December if you forget about them. It shouldn't be too late. So anytime towards sort of the end of autumn, early winter, you can plant your tulips. And then you can just pop this somewhere sheltered in the garden. They're frost hardy, so there shouldn't be a problem over winter if there's any frosts. And then if you just make sure you label it so you know what's in here, then you should be good to go.